Have you ever tried applying blending in your web designs and got kind of confused? I know I have. So in this mini-series, we're going to do a deep dive on blending in Framer. We're going to start with the very basics, and then we're going to look at every blend mode available so you can understand how each one works and start applying them confidently in your own web designs. My name is James. Hit subscribe if you like tips on building websites in Framer, and let's begin. To get started using blend modes in Framer, it's good to understand a few basics and terminology. And those are that first, you need two layers to make blending happen in Framer. You need a base layer, which goes on the bottom, and you need a blend layer, which goes on top. And I can go ahead and apply blending by just adding a frame on top of my image there. And I'll just color it the same as this blend layer here. And then to add the blending style, I go to the Styles property panel and then hit blending. And you can see it immediately applies a blending effect, and it's applied the multiply effect. And I can just move that around on my image. Now, if I click inside the blending options, you can see I've got normal, which is just nothing, but then I've got 15 other blend modes, and that's kind of overwhelming. But they're helpfully separated into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different categories. The top category are the darkening blend modes, and they tend to darken the image or base layer. The next category are lightening blend modes. They tend to lighten the base layer. Then we've got the contrast enhancing blend modes, which tend to increase the contrast between the dark and the light areas on the base. Then we've got difference and exclusion, which invert or subtract colors to create really dramatic effects on the base layer. And then we've got the color-oriented blend modes, which adjust specific color attributes like hue, saturation, and luminosity. And we're going to look at each blend mode in detail in this series, starting with the top three, the darkening blend modes. So keep watching and let's dive in.